Hi, I'm Lauren Stepp and I'm an educator with IdHAIR North America. Today I would like to share some product knowledge with you. Today I'm going to use Powder Boost out of Elements Exclusive. This is a sulfate-free product. It's also non-allergenic perfume and it is paraben-free. One good thing about this volumizing powder, it's good for all hair types and it absorbs oil. Now with Powder Boost you can see this nice pump that you have, so you can really disperse the product evenly, better than if it was a salt and pepper shaker. This is good for all hair types to give a little bit of texture and volume. In addition to adding it to the scalp area, you can also use it to add volume and texture to the ends of the hair. It's a great product to use for upstyling to give a little bit more hold or texture. And if throughout the day you're wearing this in your hair and your hair is falling, just kind of reactivate it. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, you can find us at idhairnorthamerica.com. You can follow us on Instagram, and you could follow me specifically at Lauren Marie Hair and Makeup Company. Thanks for watching.